This is the PUMA TW 2600 with gantry loader. A time-saving workhorse designed for any shop that machines high-volume parts. It's purpose-built and relentlessly productive. Every aspect of the TW is engineered to have the most profitable production times possible. Our goal? Shave seconds and turn them into dollars. It's the end result of direct input straight from the industry. The high-power twin spindles pack 25 horses each and 298 foot-pounds of torque. Our new integrated gantry loader has a 28% shorter load time, and all systems work in tandem to keep the tool in the cut longer. No wasted movement, no wasted time. So if you produce high-volume parts, there is no machine that maximizes your productivity like the PUMA TW 2600. It's your high-performance, dual-spindle turning center, only from Doosan.